Python program for multiplication table of an entered number is to be developed. Say user has entered one number, say the number is 6, and I have to display the table of 6 in this form, like 6 into 1, 6, 6 into 2, 12, 6 into 3, 18, likewise. Now what is the logic behind writing this program? You will require one thing, that the multiplication activity is to be repeated for 10 different times, and 6th number or the entered number is to be multiplied first by 1, next by 2, then by 3 up to 10. So we will go for a for loop which will multiply the given number by the numbers from 1 to 10. In short, for loop will execute 10 times for 1 to 10 numbers. Now let us develop the program. The first thing I have to do is accept the number from the user. So for that, the input function will be used, and the message to be given to the user is enter a number, and that number is going to be integer. That's why int word will be put here. Terminate the statement with the closing bracket. Now here I have to write the for loop. So the syntax for loop is for followed by the iterator or a variable which will range its value from 1 to 10. So I will take it as a I. In what is the range of numbers? The range of numbers is 1 to 10. But here in range function you have to remember that the program runs up to n minus 1. This is n, it is 11, but I have to run the program up to 10. That's why 11 minus 1 is 10. So instead of taking 10, I have taken it 11 because it runs up to 11. Now for indentation, press tab, and now what I have to do? I have to print the result. So I will use the print. Now what is to be done? First the number entered is to be printed. That's why I have written num here. It is followed by the multiplication sign. So put the multiplication sign inside the single inverted comma. So that is a fixed, it is not a variable. Then it is to be followed by the numbers like into 1, into 2, into 3. And where those numbers are stored? Those numbers are stored in iteration variable I. That's why I will put here I. Again, I have to display the equal to sign. That's why this equal to sign is enclosed in a single inverted comma, and it is followed by the result of multiplication. Result of multiplication means number into 1, number into 2, number into 3, likewise up to number into 10. That's why I will write num multiplication and I, because I will hold the numbers from 1 to 10, and bracket close. Terminate the for with a semicolon. Now let us save the program and let us run it. It will display enter a number. Say I have entered a number 6. The multiplication of table of 6 is displayed. 6 into 1 is equal to 6, 6 into 2 is equal to 12, up to 6 into 10 is 60. Likewise, we will run it one more time. So we will enter a different number here. So the number entered is say 12, and the table of 12 is displayed. In this way, we have developed a program to display the multiplication table of a given number. So this part of our program executes for 10 different times, because the purpose of for loop is to repeat a particular activity number of times. In our case, multiplication activity is to be repeated for 10 times. So that's why I is taken in the range of 1 to 11. Thank you.